How is your preparation for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I think all the preparation is going on. So all the machine commissioning is completed and the machine erection commissioning is over. We are going to make a live cutting on our BMC machines and turning, and we are going to display all the products.
We are displaying almost 9 total exhibits are there,
Okay.
which includes CNC turning, milling. We have the upskilling desktop machines as well as the simulators. And of course, main focus of the showstopper for us are the automation cells that we are going.
And we are going to have the live demonstration of all the machines.
Yes, and we are already ready for them.